Guys, so we are back again. Dr. Adarsh, say hi.
Hello guys.
So we are back again, and I'm here to show you a lip filler procedure. And today we are working with obviously Dr. Adarsh's favorite company, Restylane Kai is the favorite filler. So Dr. Adarsh, why Restylane? Why do you think this is one of the best fillers?
Because the distribution of this filler is way better than other fillers, and the final outcome what we achieve from this filler is moreover in a glossy form. It gives a natural appearance of the lip and moreover glossier tint of the lip. In comparison to other fillers, we get matte finish in this, a gloss finish.
Right. So guys,
and the major part is the longevity. Restylane is always popular for its longevity. Its longevity is approx 12 months. I think that is the maximum.
Right, so all of you guys who do not know about lip fillers, let me just tell you very quickly. It's just a 15 minutes procedure. We apply a numbing cream vana prior to the procedure, and you can get whatever shape of lips you want, however much ever plump you want. Anything is possible with this, and we can do correction also. Sometimes in some patients the lips are asymmetrical, so all that can also be corrected, and the results can last from anywhere between 6 to 12 months depending on the quality of filler that we are using. For Restylane particularly, it lasts for about 9 to 12 months. Rest, it depends on the person's metabolism. They are completely safe to use as they are made up of hyaluronic acid. So there are very low chances of any kind of allergic reaction. So guys, I think that's all for now. If you guys have any queries, you can DM us, but kindly do allow us 48 to 72 hours to get in touch. Where are you located? So we are located in New Delhi. If you have further queries, you can DM us. So that's all for now. Dr. Adarsh, say bye.
Bye guys.
Bye bye.